Hello everyone. Today's topic is positive thinking. So we will learn what is positive thinking and why we should have a optimistic mind. Okay. So these are some words here that are also used for positivity. That is a good thought, optimism, good intentions, empower, ideas, belief, beauty. So these are related to positivity. Okay. So that's why it's scrambled all around the slide. So is positive thinking barely means absence of negative thoughts. So we have to actually learn and to cope up with the situation and how we react. Either we react negatively or positively. That is what all about the thinking process goes. So what is positive thinking basically is, okay, how we see things around us. So now, as we all know, that this is a very common example of the glass being half empty or half full. Okay, so how you it's your perspective of that situation or circumstances that leads you to your positivity or negativity. Okay, so all you have to do is whenever the situation in your life is, it's a difficult situation, so your reaction can change a lot of things. So maintaining positivity within yourself, and that is a skill you have to develop, and it doesn't come in one day. Okay, so this is one part of soft skills, you can say, that you have to develop, because if you develop it from your student life, it will go till your job life and also till the end of your life maybe. And especially in job life, there will be much more complicated situation than these. So if you maintain this positive attitude, you will not face many difficulties, so you can overcome those. Guide your energy. So here's a picture that you have to give direction to your energy. Okay, like you cannot divert your things very frequently. So this is also about maintenance. Connect with self. Know well what you are going through. So first of all, for anything, okay, for any work we take in our hand, we should know either we are capable of it or not, and accepting that fact is a very big thing. Okay, if you do not accept that what you are, so that can lead you into big trouble. All right, so this is kind of a symbolic thing here, that you should fly high with positivity. So this is these are two different things given here: negative self-talk and positive spin. I have never done it before. So what you can think other than this is, it's an opportunity to learn something new. So it's up to your thinking. You see here is the difference. So like whenever we also get a new task, we can just shun it away by saying that I don't know this, or I have not done this before. But if I take it as an opportunity to learn and turn my career upside down and move ahead in my career, then it's a positive thinking. And if we just want to get rid of our responsibilities, we will talk negatively. It's too complicated. I will tackle it from a different angle. So these are some points, you can compare it, and you will feel that what is the difference between negative self-talk and how to give it a positive twist. Alright, so here's another one. There's not enough time. Let's re-evaluate some priorities. So now we can give some. These are basically the left hand side are excuses, you can say, and the right hand side are result out of your thinking. Okay, you do not give excuses. This is a sign of a responsible person, the right hand side, and the left hand side is the example of a irresponsible as well as a negative person. Okay, how do we interpret situations? Now